right, guys, so I take a piece of my bang, like a little spot right here, and I just did this, but it didn't record. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna go to the side, so I'm just gonna skim it now. And this way you can see what I did. Love that. And then it's gonna swoop over. And this little piece here, I love to go a little shorter. I'm just gonna cut into that. Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, right.
Just a little, because it's pretty good anyway. Or I could come down and just do a little tiny, you know, you can get those little tiny ends. I like to just kind of skim it. I like these scissors that just skim. Right there, I want that. You're always making peaks and flutes. Just remember that. Love that. Okay. Right here, I have to come up higher. You're always going on an angle like this. Angle. Okay? And then you take this whole front, grab it, and look it. You're going to angle it forward like that. And I already trimmed it, so I'm just going to do a tiny bit more just to show you the angle that I'm holding. Then you divide this straight in half in the back. Okay. And then you're going to comb all this forward. Grab that whole thing right there. Just going to touch it. Perfect. And then I'm going to do this one side too. Okay. Just got to get those little ends. You're always cutting it on an angle like this. I like to do extra around my face because I feel like that will really give you more shape. You could feather it back if you wanted to, or you could do it forward or whatever. And then of course, you know, the top. And I'm just gonna grab this side. Okay. Now that's on a really pretty good angle. I'm just gonna go right there. Okay, nice, okay. So that's that. Now we gotta do my top. My top is the most important thing because, you know, that's the thing that gets flattest the quickest. But I need to do this, the diamond. Remember the diamond? Because I'm not gonna do the whole full haircut. So you just do a diamond, pull it all up. Oh my gosh, it's so long. Woo! So long. But now I'm gonna, listen, I'm not taking it straight. I'm gonna turn it. Let the comb guide you. Turn, and you're gonna do it straight on here. Comb it, grab that, go up. I want all that off, okay? But I'm just turning my finger so you can see it. Now I have to go a little more right here. I want that off. Okay, let me see. Hard to see in this camera, so because it's so reflective, but my hair's so overly long. And I'm just gonna cut that off too. Okay, but really, just so you know, it's going sideways like this, okay? It's sideways, okay? And then I'm gonna nip into it a little bit, but something a little easier, because it's a little hard for me to nip my own hair. I do it at times, but I'm in a rush. I take a thinning shear, okay? This baby, yay! Love my thinning shear. Now, the last time I did my haircut, and I did it all straight, I didn't like it. Weeks later, I'm like, oh, cut that thing. All right, so you're going to take those ends and I'm going to, now I'm going to go to the side. I'm going to grab and texture, comb it all out. Now I'm going to go to the other side and texture. I can see it better in that mirror, so I'm just leaning over a little. Just grab it, texture it. The good thing about texturing shears, you can't make a mistake. All right, now I'm gonna do this middle part right here, train track to my part. Picking it up sideways, like this. Now you see it's gonna marry that back right there. I'm gonna do it with my thinning shears, just because I don't want a straight cut and it's just easier to do it. It takes a little more time, but I really want it softer. Okay, now I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go one and then go into it more. Make it more textured, one more. Good. Done. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna bind that now. I'm probably gonna take one more piece over here. Let's get this up over, because I want this to feather back and go nice and good that way. I'm gonna over direct it here, get that out. Hold on, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, and I'm just gonna do one right there. Doesn't have to be perfect, you know. Oh, yes. I could feel it already. I'm gonna have a great bang. Now I just have to do one spot over here too. And then I'll do the rest of the haircut a different day. I'm not in a rush and it's not Halloween. Let's get that off. Now, if you just follow the process, it works, just so you know. You just, remember, I just took this, took it up, blended it, and it works. You know, it's just soft. It's a blueprint, guys. That's how I know that I can do it. Now, listen, can I blend everything else to it? I totally can. But because my hair is so layered, it's going to all work and blend well. So stay tuned. I'm going to dry it. Okay, so I use Formula 18 first, all over. And now I'm going to use Full Form Mousse by 𝐸𝐸𝐻. This is how much I put in. Listen, I want a lot because I love fullness and volume. Pat, 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 pat. Get those bangs, get that front, get everything. I'm going to use some Carrot Therapy for my top. It's volume boosting roots. I want to, you know, get my roots high and my back right here too. Now I am ready. Flip it upside down. All right, guys, I got Garden Olivia brush. When it comes over, look at all doing this over, and then we'll do it back. I want to say, look over. Remember this.